What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and for those of you who are wondering why I sound funny, yeah, I'm feeling a little sick. I'm feeling a little down on myself. I got something new, Corona something another. The doctor said, I don't know, I never heard of it. They said it was on TV, but I don't watch TV. I just watch YouTube, more Mafia YouTube. But anyways, hopefully the coronavirus or whatever I got will shake off soon and we'll be back to normal. But anyways, I got a bunch of good parts just making me feel better already that I want to show you guys. I got the newest, latest, greatest thing for the GSX-R 1000. That's right, guys. We're changing out the transmission in the GSX-R 1000. We've got a different gear ratio, first gear for this thing. So a lot of you have noticed and have commented in the last videos about how big the rear sprocket is on the GSX-R 1000. Well, that's because the gear ratio in the transmission is extremely tall on that bike, and we're getting rid of that. So we're gonna go to a more normal first gear. The first gear in the bike from the factory is built for road racing. So they're used to stock height, short wheelbase, lots of power, trying to launch off the line. Well, we have lowered, slammed, stretched, we're ready to rip. So anyways, we need more launching ability, and we are going to change the transmission out where we can now do that. So now we're going to be able to launch super hard but yet still make it through the quarter mile. Plus two, our other gears will last longer throughout the power band, and we'll be able to get more mile per hour out of the bike. So we're going to show you that in a little bit. BJ's going to be doing that job. It's a little over my mechanical ability, pulling out a transmission and stuff. I'm good for changing sprockets, stuff like that, clutches. BJ, the mastermind over there, he is the real mechanic, I guess you would say. But anyways, he is actually working on the motor for Black Mamba now. Our new turbo header just came in from DME Racing. You can take a look at this thing. We are gonna have a side mount turbo system. So last year our turbo sat kind of right here, basically right behind the front tire. This year it's going to be sitting off to the side. It's going to look super cool. This is the new exhaust pipe for the bike. This is the new hot side that we just got. This is the other piece of the turbo that we're all piecing back together. Basically BJ is going to be rebuilding this. Titanium header bolts. Check those out, guys. Anyways, we got some more goodies here for the nitrous pro street bike that's coming along. You see we've got a few more pieces that we've welded on here. BJ has made this carbon fiber dash panel. We got the gauges mounted. You see the dash and the gauges are all mounted. We've also got the brake system has came in for this thing. We've also got the triple trees came in. These clutch and brake master cylinders. This is Behringer front brakes and Behringer rear brakes, Behringer master cylinder, everything. If you guys have never heard of Behringer, it is super, super badass stuff. The way the bike rolls when you put these on there is incredible. Now, the price that you spend to get these is incredible also. Very, 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 very expensive. Not for a normal, I guess you would say, everyday bike. These right here will effectively break the bank. We've also got a bunch more swing arms in stock. So for those of you who don't know, if you want to get a swing arm for your bike, I sell tons of DME swing arms. We got a little bit of variety here. So this arm here, this is actually for my Pro Street bike, Black Mamba. This is something different that you guys have probably never seen before. DME Racing has came up with this swing arm for us with a chain roller that is adjustable. So as we launch, we can actually change. You see that? It's all going to be air assisted and computer controlled. So BJ can actually keep a monitor on how tight the chain is. This is something super new, super high tech, really cool. But if you look at the quality of these swing arms, they are truly unreal When you start looking at these versus other arms, you really notice how much better the quality of these arms are and how much work and detail goes into these. So you see we got this arm, we've got this arm here, which is for a 2017 GSX-R 1000. That is kind of a short wheelbase arm. We got a super long arm for a Grudge GSX-R 1000. We've also got a super long arm for a Grudge Hayabusa. I got a bunch of ECUs that have came in to flash in the last day or today basically, and then I have got what we've been waiting for. Yeah, that's right, guys. We got the nitrous kit. His stuff has came in to make the nitrous kits for the GSX-R 1000. So we got a lot of stuff to do and just a little time to do it. So we're gonna try to get this transmission installed today. We've also got a different transmission for the ZX-10 as well. A lot of you guys have been following that build and you're hoping to see the rematch, which that is definitely coming soon, but stay tuned for that. We're gonna try to get it done today too. And I'm gonna show you one more little quick thing. Boom, boom. Oh, that was another Drag Max. I still can't sell them yet, guys. The Dunlop Drag Max, that tire will be out in April. I will be posting as soon as they are for sale, guys. So stay tuned for that. I can't get you one any sooner, but anyways, they are coming. All right, guys, so give us just a little bit and we're gonna show you what it looks like to get this transmission out of this GSX-R. All right, guys, so we got the clutch basket removed from the 2020 1000, and BJ says that the transmission is pretty much ready to slide out. This thing has what they call a cassette transmission, so check this out. This is the removal of the transmission with the engine still in the bike, as you can see, of course. And this is our first time doing this too, so guess you say we'll learn tricks as we go. This installation process, this is not something you'd want to try on your own. This is definitely for a professional mechanic. You see me, I left it alone, and I'm semi-professional. So anyways, this is definitely something that if you're interested in getting this done, we will be able to do this for you. I don't have pricing available yet because I don't know exactly how long it's going to take, because it's easy for BJ, but it ain't an easy job for sure. Similar to the ZX-10. And boom, just like that, the whole entire transmission is out of the motorcycle. So he's gonna get the gear installed and then we're gonna get this thing put back in. All right, guys, so one more thing we're doing while we got it apart, we put ceramic transmission bearings in it. So that's the bearing way back in there. And what that bearing is gonna do is, just like the ceramic wheel bearings that make it the wheel turn easier, this is a ceramic transmission bearing that is going to allow the transmission to turn easier. So you see these are the old factory ones here. And then this is the transmission. So there's the other bearing that we replaced there. So it makes everything turn a lot smoother. This is the old gear that we're replacing. And then you see we went to a larger gear. So basically the larger gear is just like putting a larger back sprocket on it. But the back sprocket is technically only going to change it in first gear. So it should be a pretty cool mod. It's really cool the way this transmission works. You see how easy it all comes in and out. Now, this whole process is definitely a several hour job with BJ doing it. We're going on about hour number 3 right now, and we still have it in a million pieces. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to update you on that, show you what we had going on, and he's going to start putting this thing back in. All right, guys, we're on day 2 of the project with the 1000. We've got the transmission 100% back in it. All the bearings are installed, the gears are installed. Now we're changing the rear sprocket. So originally when I put this thing together and we went the 529 with the stock wheels, that was with a 1650 gear ratio. So since then I've played with different stuff. I tried a 49, I didn't like it. I tried a 50, I liked it. And then I tried a 51 just to see if it would go any faster.
and it did go a tiny smidge faster, but I think that was with some more mods. I think the 50 is the ideal gear ratio. So I've done the math on changing these gears in the transmission. I'm not going to tell you what gear ratio in the transmission I have now, but I've changed that gear ratio and I've done the math. Long story short, I think I can take off 2 teeth on this rear sprocket. We're going to take off 3 teeth, but I'm going to take off 2 teeth with what was ideal. And I think we're going to pull off even more, but I would rather have a little too much as to not enough to start with. But I think we may be able to go even smaller with this thing. So this is kind of just experimental, educated guess stuff right now. So we're going to put this on, we're going to put it all back together, and we're going to get it to the track this weekend. The weather is looking good. I'm feeling a little better. The Lysol is taking care of the coronavirus. So I think we're going to do it. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, April 4th, there's a guy on a Harley that has challenged me. Gaddafi is his name. I see him, something another, Gaddafi, on a stock wheelbase Harley. A stock wheelbase Harley has called out me on my stock wheelbase ZX14. We're gonna give him the old smackdown. So anyways, that's coming up. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna be out testing some more this weekend with the 14. And I think we got this GSXR 1000 ready to go to the next level. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Support the channel. Go to moremafia.com. Buy you a t-shirt. Buy your girlfriend a t-shirt. Buy your brother or sister a t-shirt. Whatever. Support the channel. Help us out, guys. All right, that's it. See ya.